Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the camera problem in your device OPPO Find X. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the camera app, like your camera app is not working or any other such camera related issue, you can fix it just in the few steps. So before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video, you will learn how you can fix the camera problem in your device. Let's watch the video.